Hi guys! Today we're going to be doing a toy review, I think it is, right?
Yeah,
Or a toy.
Yeah, it's a toy review. Guys, it's a toy review.
So, we bought these off of online.
Yeah.
Obviously.
And we didn't find the pony truck.
Yeah, he keeps saying pony truck.
Yeah.
But we got these.
I remember it, guys.
Okay. So we got these, we got 8 monster trucks to show you that we got off of Amazon.
No, they have to be from different places.
Maybe. And this one's, I'm just going to say from Amazon, but
yeah.
We got 8 for you.
Those ones are from monster trucks. We got them.
Yeah, obviously. We're going to start off with the first row. That's in front, then the back. First, starting off with Local Punk. I think his name is Local Punk because it kind of looks like a punk, I guess. But he got the brownish, goldish tires. He's kind of like a train. Well, he is a train, but like a motorcycle train. And if you look right in this little corner where it says that's for the monster truck thing. So Cal, me and you, we're going to take turns sharing them too. So this is the Local Punk. Get a big look at him. Get your hand over, I can't see. But, yeah. That's the first one. Here is the second. A lot of people know this one. It's a fan favorite. One of the main ones that brings the part of monster and truck together. We have the Grave Digger, which Cal will be explaining.
So, you get the purple tires. Let me get it over what was on the other.
Are you going to let them see?
Yeah, guys. We have the purple tires. We have the paint job of the front of school and stuff. And if you look down, this is a remote control.
Is it really?
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, I think it got a controller, but that's somewhere.
It got the red lights, got air on the front.
That's fire.
On top. Yeah.
And that's basically it?
Is it air?
Oh, and can I say
There's
this?
a fire. There's also like a thing on the back. I don't know what that's for. Maybe for
Can I say one thing?
Stop it.
Can I say one thing?
Yeah.
If you look in like the middle, they basically connect all like the pieces that would usually be under a monster truck, and they just paste green in it, like chunks of green maybe, and in the middle it says monster trucks because these are monster trucks but like mini size. Next one, this one's mine, okay?
Yeah.
We got the big boy. This is from a different kind of thing, but it's like, got this black thing on top, got these eyes, and this one actually got like color on this area. We've got the green tires.
Is that a button?
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's that button.
It's a button.
And tell them about the top lip and stuff.
Yeah, so we got the horns. We got like the green on the side and the top and the side. And then we got the tail. Then we got this little like trunk bed.
Yeah.
I think it's called. Yeah. And then we got the third horn right there. And then that little mouthpiece that sticks out. And this big front.
No, that's an engine. That's an engine.
Oh yeah, it is. Take a good look.
has the green tires and stuff.
Okay. Oops. Next one, Tom. This one.
What's this?
Crusher. Wait, yeah.
What does this one say?
Local punk.
Crusher?
Yeah, Crusher.
This is
Crusher. Yeah, Crusher.
This is Crusher here. He really is not like the other cars. He has like a paint job here. He has those like right there.
You can put it closer if you want.
He has like things right here. It's a Crusher and
Basically it.
it has those names on the tires. It has like stuff on the tires. That's usually not like it. Like and stuff.
Like on it.
Like, and this is the paint job. It's kind of like an ambulance with lights on top. This is the shield, I think it's called. Shield on the back end. It's not really like
That was my phone, but
this is not really the same compared to this because the other ones
different sizes.
have other like things under it. But this one
Hollow.
is
Oh, this one's cool. So we got another mini one, except for that last one. Cam just kindly explained. It's backwards in the camera, but it says Earth Shaker. And in the corner it has a monster truck, yellow tires. And this one, like this one, it's a difference. Like this one actually got the color. This one's just like kind of, I don't want to say outdated, but like kind of, I guess, connected and more like shoved all pieces together. Our shaker got this black top thing. Got,
that's a dump.
oh yeah, the dump. It got the window glass.
It's
like
kind of like Poison Grass Club. No, not club. Oh.
Just keep talking, Miss Word.
So it's compared to this. This one has a trunk, but this one's cheaper, but this one's like just
No,
up
that
top.
one's deeper.
This one's cheaper, but this is just going. This is just black so it can show the details of what's on the floor of the trunk, like stuff.
Yeah. So this one got the details, got the monster truck sign somewhere. Oh, on the bottom right there. It also got the details, this big thing, this back, like, the little thing. And that's basically that one. Oh, Cam, you got a good one.
So, the same with that one.
This one?
They put,
Wait, this one though?
yeah.
Yeah.
So they put black in it. It's all black right there, but Poison Grass, it's not like shoved into other pieces like chunks. But it has like this.
Oh yeah, it's like a broken top.
It has
show
this in it.
Show them the broken top.
It has this in it, not like other ones we have.
Not like
Yeah.
this one
Yeah.
and this one.
It has the horns right here.
The horns.
Fire. The piercing. The fire.
Show them. Don't put it right there.
No. The fire.
The teeth, the horns,
The
piercing.
teeth. The one.